Hi, good night. How are you? I hope good. Present you speaking activity of the infographic I made from the trip to Curiti. Uh, a continuation, I present the first step tal about introduce myself. After that, the second step tal about my last vacation in Curiti. After that, the third step, the weather in Curiti in the morning, in the afternoon. And finally, the fourth step is all about recommendation if you go to Curiti. A continuation, I present my profile, introduce myself. I am Jason Enrique Hernandez Morantes. My age is 28 years old. I live Bogota, DC. I work in Codensa. I am single. My profession is test and instrumentation technician. Also like video games. I love the hamburguesas and exercise. After that, tell about my last vacation in Curiti. During my last vacation in Curiti, I went to Curiti. I went with my girlfriend. We stayed there 3 days. We sleep in comfortable room in the Hotel La Loma Curiti. The first day, we visited Barichara. We rode a motorcycle through the rural area and historic sites of one. The second day, we visited, excuse me, the second day we practiced rafting in the river Suarez. After that, we eat typical Santanderian food. The third day, we practice. We went to practice torrentive in the rural area of the Sanch. And I'm talking about in un pescaderito with my girlfriend. We went, visited the sanctuary. The first, the step tell about the weather in Curiti. The weather in Curiti is humid, is cool, is cloudy in the morning. In the afternoon it is sunny and it rains constantly. In general, the weather is very nice. After that, recommendation to be in Curiti. Recommendation. What you should do. It is necessary that people do not forget a wear cap. sunscreens and glaze. You should get a map on the place tourists. After that, it's important. It's important when you want to visit the surrounding towns to take enough money in cash. What you should not do. The first tip, you should not throw garbage in the tourist areas. Um, the second recommendation is you must not forget your identity document. Uh, is 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 my recommendation is if you are going to practice some extreme sport, follow at the safari instruction the instructor. And finally, video clip touristic sites of Buriti. This was the presentation, the trip to Kuriti. I hope you like. Thank you. See you soon.